Falcons, 2K out.
Ground control to jump team, we are right on schedule.
ETA, 30 seconds.
Falcon coach, this is Falcon DZ. Run-in is 2013K.
Alright guys, high profile target extraction. Let's make this quick.
Drop zone confirmed.
Falcons to ground control, everyone in position.
Target identified, sending coordinates.
Falcons climbing to 5,000 feet.
Radio check, Sam.
Good check.
Loud and clear.
Falcons DZ, Falcons coach, radio check.
Sam, let's get strapped in.
In position, 30 seconds.
Green light in 3, 2, 1. Green, green.
Pull on my mark. Now. ...2,000-foot carousel. Go.
Wind direction's changed, 6 knots easterly.
Wow, big snap. Can I push?
Positive identification. Target, Sam Bird. Visual on the DZ, we need smoke.
I've got smoke for you.
We see you, Sam. Nice.
Good to see you guys. Jaguar's coming home.
Updating location. London confirmed.